If you want to avoid getting seasick, it's real important to stare out into the horizon. You might see something beautiful as well. Fishing hooks are extremely sharp, so it's real important to use caution at all times, or you might just catch more than a fish. Some days are better than others, but it's real important to be patient and believe in your setup, especially when you have lures that you know work well. Working on a charter boat is something I've wanted to do my entire life. This summer, I finally had the opportunity to fill that void. I was lucky enough to team up with Kyle Buck from Great Lakes Guide Service. He's been a guide for almost 20 years. I value working with Kyle because I've seen him always do the right thing, and even when faced with adversity, he's always stayed positive. Together, we've had an amazing summer catching fish and meeting people from around the country. This has been an experience I'll never forget and I'll always cherish. Enjoy the movie. Set up, boys. We can catch some fish? Huh? Yeah. Smile, you're having fun. Woo! All right. Woo! I'm gonna go rip it right out of his mouth, and then we'll just stand here and stare at each other. Yep. If it ain't coming in, don't reel. He's just swimming along with us right now. There you go. See, he ain't done. We want him to get tired. Come on, big fish. That's okay. Bring him back. There he is. Yeah, boys.
If you like the movie, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.